Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating touring innovations of the year, the 2025 Honda Goldwing three-wheeled touring motorcycle camper. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a bold reimagination of freedom, comfort, and adventure on three wheels. Honda has taken its legendary Goldwing DNA and fused it with an all-new camping capability that makes it one of the most unique touring machines ever built. From the moment you see it, the 2025 Goldwing Trike camper grabs your attention. The design is futuristic yet distinctly Honda. Sleek aerodynamic lines, bold LED lighting, and that unmistakable Goldwing front profile that exudes power and prestige. The third wheel adds not just balance, but a touch of rugged adventure, designed for long hauls across winding mountain roads, open highways, or even remote scenic routes where two wheels might struggle. Under the body, you'll find the heart of this beast, Honda's legendary 1.33cc six-cylinder engine. It delivers an incredibly smooth, vibration-free performance that feels both powerful and refined. Paired with a 7-speed DCT automatic transmission, shifting is seamless whether you're cruising through city streets or rolling across the countryside. The torque is instant, and the acceleration is surprisingly strong for a vehicle that doubles as a microcamper. Honda's engineers have managed to blend touring luxury with camping practicality, and the result is pure brilliance. The Trike setup offers stability and comfort, especially for long-distance riders or those who love to travel with a passenger. The suspension system has been reworked for improved handling and better load distribution. It glides over rough terrain with ease, giving you a sense of control and safety that's unmatched in its class. Whether you're riding through rain, wind, or sharp curves, the 2025 Goldwing Trike feels planted and confident every mile of the way. Now, the real magic happens when you reach your destination and transform this motorcycle into a camper. The rear section unfolds into a compact yet surprisingly cozy camping pod. It features a lightweight carbon aluminum structure that opens up into a small sleeping area, perfect for two. Inside, you'll find a foldable bed, storage compartments for essentials, and smart LED interior lighting powered by the bike's auxiliary battery system. It's like carrying a luxury hotel room wherever your adventures take you. Honda's attention to detail is evident everywhere. The integration of solar panels on the rear shell provides off-grid charging for your devices. There's also an optional mini kitchenette setup, compact but practical, with enough room to store a small stove, utensils, and camping gear. Tech-wise, Honda hasn't held back. The Trike camper includes a massive 7-inch full-color infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support.